Alright guys, I know this ain't the most ideal way to do this stuff like this and everything, but I wanted to bring you a quick video. It's wintertime in the Midwest, so yeah. Pretty much this is the first snowfall we've had this year and everything, and so I decided to get out, take some photos, and well, you're seeing the photos right now on what I got, but I also got a new little toy to come out here and play with too, and it is one of these globe things like this. Okay, so you got one of these. It's pretty cool actually. I'm showing you some photos with it. I'm just testing it and see how well it works and stuff like that. And I can tell you right now, this pouch is no good. This pouch barely fits in this thing. So anyways, it's quite hard to put it in. I've dropped it once in the snow, wasn't fun. Yeah, but anyways guys, Midwest snow, it's gorgeous.